Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gabsade Sarg. Today I bring you a small video tutorial demonstration about drawing of an owl, a fat owl that I really like. It's kind of a short video, but I just wanted to show you the things that you can do with Procreate, which is the app that I'm using in an iPad Air. So uh, basically, I did the line drawing before the video, and then I decided to start recording it when I started to color it. So, as you can see, you will see through the video the coloring process and how I basically use two different layers. The first layer is for the line art and the second layer is for the colors. Why do you divide this like this? Because it's way easier to paint and it's faster. So, but it's not something you have to necessarily do if you wanted to paint it by hand. It's something that you can do by choice, but it's easier and faster. So you can use the first layer as a reference layer. So you just press the layer tool, which is the second tool from right to left on the top right hand corner, and then you select the layer that you want to use as a reference. You click on the thumbnail and then you click reference. That way, when you start coloring in the second layer, the second layer will know that you are using the first layer as a reference, and in this way you will be able to use like the bucket tool, which basically is using the color tool. You drag the pen from the color tool to the place you want to fill in the color, and it will just automatically fill the color in that area. Um, you just need to practice a little bit, and that's it. It's really easy to use. If you have any questions, just go to the Procreate page and just type the question that you have. It Procreate, something that I really like is that it has a really robust how do you say, like instruction manual online that you can see online, and it's like really good. It's really well explained and really intuitive. So basically, uh, that's the main part of the tutorial of the video, because after that you just draw and you color as you wish. I will stop talking, but the video will continue and you will be able to see the whole process, and I will let you with the music and stuff so that you can enjoy the video. And that's it. I really hope that you like it. I find it very fun to draw this kind of more simple paintings, simple drawings, and I just hope that you like it as much as I do. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share if you like the video. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.